While there is still no vaccine or cure to COVID-19, many people are searching for natural boosts to their immune system. Vitamin C is now in high demand. Argentina is an important player in global citric production. Its northern provinces are able to produce fruit all year round, and an agreement in late 2019 opened the door for Argentina to begin exporting lemons, oranges and grapefruit to China.
No le agregamos sabor a fruta. La fruta ya tiene el mejor.
The company Citric Juices dominates the Argentine domestic market and also exports within Latin America, and just before the coronavirus outbreak had begun exporting to China.
Nuestra primera exportación fue ahora en febrero.
Our first shipment was in February. We started with the idea of exporting between 200 and 300,000 litres this year. But with the pandemic and the growing demand for vitamin C in China and the rest of the world, we expect to export double that figure this year. The pandemic has disrupted global trade, and for many Latin American nations like Argentina, exports have dropped. Yet in the case of Argentina, exports to China have increased dramatically, so much so that April's figures show that China overtook Brazil as the country's #1 trading partner. Argentina has a trade deficit with China, but according to national statistics, the country posted a $98 million trade surplus with China in April, compared to a $351 million deficit during the same month last year. And exports were valued at $509 million, up from $338 million in April 2019. As well as more fruit juice, Argentina's key exports include soybean products and beef. But there remain challenges in increasing the volume, according to the logistics company working with Citric to export its juices to China.
Logistics is everything, right? From China, you can have a direct flight to anywhere in America, or most major cities in America and in Europe. But there aren't any direct flight to the South America or Argentina at the moment. You have to go through the US or maybe Mexico City. So logistics, it has something to do with that.
Argentina's agricultural sector believes the country is well positioned to continue increasing its cereal and beef exports in the coming months, a trend it hopes to consolidate when the pandemic is over. Joel Richards, CGTN, Buenos Aires.